What's up, guys? If you couldn't tell by behind me, kind of just the mess in my room right now. It's hectic. We're moving. Getting out of Miami. No, I'm just playing. I'm moving down the street in like a couple months. I'm going to Europe for the summer. I'm traveling with my girlfriend, so I gotta pack up. I gotta pack all the stuff to move. I gotta figure out where the car is going, like all that stuff. But yeah, about to take you guys along with me just for the morning. About to go get coffee, just kind of get the works done, and yeah. So I'm driving back from my new apartment this morning, and my boy parked on the street his truck last night, and I go to check, and I just like look at it out of the corner of my eye, and I don't see it, so I'm like, shit. I spin around again, I look again, and it's still not there. Bro, he's downstairs right now filing a police report. That shit got stolen overnight.
Do not buy a truck.
Do not buy a truck. That's dream car. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. We're gonna go grab some coffee real quick. We confirmed they were not white, most likely. No, we confirmed the truck was stolen. It's not at a tow yard. Also, guys, today I'm thinking about swapping out the Yachtmaster. It's fun. It just doesn't fit my wrist great because the rubber strap. So I'm probably gonna go with the AP Royal Oak Chrono and go for like the Blueface or the Panda. I don't know yet. I gotta make a decision. I guess I'll post up on Instagram something. You gotta follow the Instagram if you want to see the updates in real time, but you'll see it on YouTube soon enough, so yeah. Things would always be fucked up, like everything.
Give him a tart review. Good.
It's pretty good.
Out of 10.
9. 8.5, 9. It's
Okay.
up there for sure.
Alright. Valet. Bro had to make sure his whip's not getting stolen.
Oh my god, bro. I don't want that stolen, curb, nothing. So guys, it's been a while. I haven't been cooking up YouTube videos. Honestly, I would say I've been super locked in, but I haven't been at all. Like I haven't even been working at all. Sorry, I have to take advantage of every single pull I can. But yeah, no, I haven't been super locked in. I've been trying to. I've just been traveling a lot. I'm preparing to travel a lot. Obviously, I'm leaving for the whole summer, so it puts me in a difficult position because I get super anxious when I'm like preparing to leave town, when I'm moving, when I'm doing all this. And so at this point in time, like I just have a lot of trouble like working. But for work updates, content automation agency, we're at 95 clients right now. 95 clients, each of which are paying over $1,000 a month. So if you do the math, we're making money. The wheels are turning. They're still doing what they're doing. At the same time, we're also building out a new side of our celebrity marketing company and helping connect brands with celebrities through what we call unboxing haul campaigns. So it's just like another segment to like the work I'm doing. But yeah, as far as the content automation stuff goes, I just want to use this as like the true testament to that you do not have to be working every day when you're doing this stuff. I live a lifestyle where I can choose to work for a week and then not work for the next 2 weeks. And my business will still run itself. Granted, my business would run itself a lot better if I was working every single day. But my point being that you still have the ability to run your company very effectively without working too much. It's like a cheat code to work. And that's like the main reason that I push this for you guys. If you want to get into a similar style of business, you really should hit me up. You should choose to work with me because I've been doing this for so long. I've built out my business and have the same tools to help you build out the infrastructure of your business and basically do it in a way that you don't have to be actively managing your company every single day. You can do this on a passive income type of scale and still do numbers like me where I'm making 6 figures a month and I get to drive around my dream car. I get to leave Miami for the summer, go to Europe with my girlfriend and move into another place in Miami, high rise, $10,000 plus a month at the age of 22. It's like, this lifestyle is freeing. It's the most freedom you will ever have. It's the most freedom that life will ever provide you, being able to run a business in the way that I run it. So again, if you guys want help, if you want to learn how to build your own company in the same kind of style and model that I built mine out as, please hit me up. I respond to almost all my DMs, and I'd be happy to give some advice, if not help you out one-on-one.
Red scooter is so fun.
I love these things, bro. If I had like a 5-car collection, I would always have a GT4S in here, or a GT3RS, or a GT2RS. Like I would have some type of like track or like performance Porsche, because I feel like you'll never get like tired of this. Like maybe, yeah, you want to switch up the cars, like you want something new, and like granted, like I always want something new, bro. I see any car on the street and I'm like, damn, I want that thing. But at the same time, it's hard to imagine, like, now that I've had one of these, like, not having one of them, because, like, it's just, like, such, it's got to be, like, one of the most fun cars you can drive every single day. Like, you can drive this daily. Sure, it's not comfortable to drive daily, but it's still, like, a daily drivable car, and it's just so fun, bro. And, like, you haven't experienced, like, a track car, like anything even remotely similar to this until you've driven this type of car. Yeah. So if you guys haven't, like, and you guys obviously, I'm not saying go buy a Porsche tomorrow if you can't afford it, but like they do track days with GT3s, GT3RSs and stuff. Like if you can afford to spend like $500 or whatever it costs, just go take the car out on the track, go do one of the track days, and you will fall in love with these cars forever. You will never want another car. Something that I wasn't really planning on revealing until I actually did it, but I'm house shopping in Tampa right now. I'm buying, ideally in the next 2 or 3 months when I'm on vacation, I will close on and secure my dream house in Tampa and still rent in Miami. I'm not leaving Miami, but yeah, the plan is to buy a house in Tampa. I found one, I made an offer. It's pending sale with someone else right now, but if they withdraw or fail to finance or whatever they're looking to do, then the house will be mine. And if I don't get this one, I'm gonna find another one. So I'm not pressed about it. I'm not too stressed about getting one like super soon, but just be on the lookout, because in the next 2 or 3 months, I'm probably gonna have a new house and I'll do a whole house tour and everything. For like an hour every day. I mean, in Miami it's not like the same, but like in some cities you can just drive around, bro. Like it's like the biggest adrenaline rush you'll have in your life as a guy. You are not a guy until you own one of these cars. Your balls have not dropped until you hit like 190 and thought you were gonna like kill yourself on accident in your car. So yeah, for you guys out there who haven't done that yet, if you're like 16 years old, I don't blame you, but if you're like 20 plus years old, you better get your fucking hands on a car before you're talking with a high-pitched voice at 30 because you never manned up and bought one. bro, but with supercars. Like, you can literally, if you're in Miami and you own a supercar, you know exactly how this works. Just passed a cop doing that, but you know exactly how this works. If you own a supercar in Miami, you can get away with anything. With cops, with other cars, bro, you can drive like you literally are like the biggest asshole in the world and no one gives a fuck because like you have a supercar. Like if I tried to do this shit in my old Camry, bro, someone would have fucking just fried the side of my car, gotten out of their car, started screaming at me. And this thing, bro, they just like let it happen. It's like I am entering them from the back and they just let it happen. They don't care.
They respect game.
They respect game is game, bro.
The truck's gone.
His truck was stolen. At what point does insurance consider the truck a total loss?
Bye-bye.
Huge.
This shit, you're not hiding it anywhere in Miami. If I see you, I'll find you.
See you, find you, and ask for it back.
Polite.
Hey, can I have it back, please?
Please have my truck back. But yeah, unfortunately, guys, it's not the happy vlog we were looking for today. Stolen truck.
10,000 likes, Skyler buys him a new truck.
I'll buy him a new truck myself. But no, in all seriousness, guys, it's gonna be a hectic week. Been moving and stuff. I just wanted to give everyone an update, bro. I've been MIA. I do this every single time I start posting again. I go MIA for like months on end. I don't mean to be like that. It's just kind of the nature of how I work and how I am. But yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Drop a like if you want another video soon. And drop a like for this poor man's sake.